Okay, this is my back. This is the right side, it's facing up, and I'm going to put my front pieces on the top. Once again, see, I haven't used any pins or basting. You could, but I don't need it. So what I need to do, I need to match my seam. Actually, let's pin over here. And if you notice, my front going like so, but this is what I need because this is going to be my stitch line end. So this is why okay. So let's stitch it, and then I will go over my serger and finish the edge. Okay, the first one is done, and this is my second one. And this is my second one. Let's cut those threads. And I need to use the same distance that I've used before, like so. Okay, I'm good. So now I need to go and serge this edge using my overlock. Now let's serge the shoulder seam. Perfect. For those who are familiar with the Triumph serger, I've threaded it as a 4 threads. So I threaded the needle 01 and 02 both. So I do have a stabilizing stitch, not just the serger, but I do have a stabilizing stitch in between. Okay, now when I finished my shoulder seam, I'm still debating. I'm still thinking, do I need to do the top stitch or maybe I don't? Because sometimes, it's really nice when you have a, top stitch. So this way, you not only fix your seam allowance onto your project, but also, like once you washed your project, once you wash your shirt or blouse, sometimes it's kind of, like when you iron it or press it, the seam allowance, gets twisted. So, sometimes I do top stitch, but I don't know, maybe I won't do it this time. So, so if I do top stitch, the next step will be attaching the sleeves. So, I don't like to baste, and as you can see, my armhole looks really nice. You can see it. So I matched the edges perfectly. So I don't need to through it. I don't need to clean it. So this is why I can either go to my ironing board and press my shoulder seam, you know, the direction. There is no way to press it, but I was taught 25 years ago to press it toward the back, and I keep doing this. So, but you are more than welcome to do it the opposite way. So I'm not going to go and press it at this point because I will do it later once I attach my sleeve. So I need to find my left sleeve then. So let's find the notch. There's the notch, and remember, okay, this is the wrong side, right? No, this is the wrong. Oh yes, remember we put the yes, because we cut those sleeves separately, so I marked my right line. So this is the right line. So this is really nice to have those pins because those pins representing the right side. So this way my left sleeve will be this one because the notch goes this way to the front. So this is my shoulder seam. So what I need to do, I just need to match my seams. Well, I really want to mention something at this point. I've done this pattern before, so I don't need to make any adjustments. I've done my adjustment by changing the size of the front. I already mentioned my front parts are size 42 and my back is between 38 and 40, because once again I'm not perfect. If I copy just 42, size 42, my bust will be good, but my back will be too low. So this is why I've done this. So I need to mark my notch. This is the front. Well, speaking about the muslin, like mustard pattern, so you can do your mustard pattern, like do the test, and then make all adjustments, and only then you can cut your blouse. So yes, looks good. I just double check on the ease. Okay. I'm just checking how much ease I need to do here. Okay, good. I just wanna make it better. Okay, this way. So this is why I'm not going to, do the fitting session or like check on the neckline or check on my armhole position, because I've done this pattern before and I really like that. This is actually my favorite one. I like the dropped shoulder line. I like the feet. So, and I can modify the fit really easily. I can make more, loose shirt, or I can make it more fitted. Okay. So I've noticed what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect my sleeve onto my body. Front and back pieces. Call it body pieces. And see, at this point I haven't used any basting stitches. You could, but I feel comfortable with the cotton fabric. If you have a silk fabric, any kind of like a stretched fabric, yes, please do baste it first. I hope you can see how I do this, and I do use my finger all the time in order to align the edges. See, it lays flat because I've done all adjustments. I don't have any excess fabric either from both sides, like not from the top, not from the bottom. It just lays perfectly. this sleeve is really nice to connect together. See, I mean the shape, it's not so curvy, so this is why I can manage it this way. If you have another sleeve shape like more curved top, that probably would be harder. Okay, my notches matching. Okay, need to lay it down. And do not stretch, do not pull the fabric. Try to follow the fabric. Try to like the way it is. Okay, as you can see, perfect match. Okay, what I've noticed, my loops kind of hanging over, so I probably need to go to the B. Okay, let's take a look how it looks. Okay, let's take this beam out. Well, see, okay, my seam allowance goes toward the back, and my shoulder just sits perfectly. And you can tell, see, perfect match, perfect match. Because once again, I've already used this pattern. I've done all corrections, all, adjustments. So this is why I can do it. So now I'm going to do the second sleeve as well. See you in the next part.